Hi, so this is like a really cool form which is built out of Google Apps Script. And what it does is it asks for your email. And then once you enter your email, it asks you a series of questions which determine how happy you are. And the results are sent to your email. So let me just do a test to show you what I mean. So first of all, I'll enter my email address. Then I click on next. Okay, so now it shows that please take the time to review the questions below and fill them in quite carefully. I don't feel particularly pleased with the way I am. So I disagree. Next, I'm intensely interested in other people. I strongly agree. I feel that life is very rewarding. Strongly agree. I have very warm feeling towards almost everyone. Strongly agree. I really wake up feeling rested. Disagree. I'm not particularly optimistic about the future. Disagree. I find most things is amusing. Agree. I'm always committed and involved. Agree. Life is good. Life is good. I do not think that the world is a good place. Disagree. I laugh a lot. Agree. I'm real satisfied about everything in my life. I don't think I look attractive. There is a gap between what I would like to do and what I've done. I'm very happy. I find beauty in some things. I always have cheerful effect on others. I can fit and find time for everything I want to. Feel that I'm especially in control of my life. I feel able to take anything on. Feel fully mentally alert. I often experience revelation and I don't find it easy to make decisions. Particular sense of meaning and purpose in my life. Feel I have a great deal of energy. Really have a good influence on events. So these are like series of questions. I don't have fun with other people. I don't feel particularly healthy. I don't have particularly happy memories of the past. Okay. And then once I click on submit, it is now processing these results. And then here is my score. Your score is 6 out of 6. Too happy. And then that is the result. So the front end of this form was designed as per the client. The client had a yellow background on his website, and this form was to be integrated on his website. So that is why it looks like this, but this can be easily customized to include your branding guidelines. And let me also show you that after the score is calculated, it is sent as an email. And here is the email. It is properly branded. So, this is the client's website and it gives you all the, so that is the email that was sent after the form was filled. And again, the form can be customized to make it look how you want. I hope you like this one.